Hello and welcome back dear. Today in this video I am going to give the latest update on NPTEL 2021 April semester examination. So you might have got the mail and reminder mail also one after another regarding this complete update, and I am going to discuss complete information about the last semester 2021 April semester examination. And this semester also has been started, and I am going to provide some courses solution. Already I have provided video on that. Please check it out and you can get all those information. So let me make this video very specific to last semester examination and refund and all those matter, like if you are writing multiple courses, what will be in that case, all those detail I will discuss. Okay, so you can see that exam which was expected to completed on by 24th and 25th of April is going to conducted by August 8 and August 19, and you can check it out course name by clicking on this form and open this form. This is one spreadsheet you can open and check it out for what are the courses the exam is going to conduct on April 8, and for what are the courses exam is going to conduct on April, August 19. You can go and check all those detail. Timing will be same only, and like mode of examination, in personal examination will be conducted. So you have to go to physically to the exam center with hall ticket, and you have to follow all this like government regulation while you are going to the examination. And only if you go at examination center and write examination, then only your certificate will be counted towards domain a star certificate as well as AICTE FDP certificate. If you want to know more about domain certificate, NPTEL star certificate, please check it out our playlist NPTEL information. I have provided complete information on that. And if you want to change your exam city, like if you are in final year and now you are joining some job, so you are moving to new location. So by near that you have to find the center and you have to go and write exam. In that case, you can open the link, okay, and you can get one form. So where you have to go and log in with the same mail which you have used to enroll the NPTEL courses. Don't log in with another mail. Okay. So I am also going to provide this form link in video description. Okay. So you can like if you want to write examination, please go and click on in personal examination and save. If you want to cancel some of the courses, you can click cancel and refund and save, like that you can move. So I am going to write all those examination. So I will select in personal, and if you want to know how to cancel examination, already I have provided exclusive video on that. I will also provide the link in video description. You can watch that small video and know complete information about cancellation of examination. So I am selecting in personal examination. I will select save next. I will choose all those first choice, second choice, and third choice city based on my comfort and click the option, and I will click on save. Once I click on save, this will show successfully updated. You will not get mail regarding this. This is done. Only you will get successfully completed notification. Okay, so that is regarding change of city. And those who want to write exam in personal, so you can also go to same link and do. And if you cancel the examination, you will get 80% of your registration fee refunded, and those refund will be like get in your account by 2 to 4 weeks. The account will be same which you have used to pay the fee. And guys, the deadline for completion of this process is 19th July. 2 more days is there. So do the things if you want to do. And if you want to write examination, even you don't need to do anything. If you don't do anything, then NPTEL consider that you are going to write the examination. Okay. Let's see next thing. What if I want to write examination one and cancel another? So in that also go to same link, guys, and like if you want to cancel something, select cancel and again click save and next. And if you have selected any of option for examination, it will again ask for the center. Select the center and save. You will get successfully updated information. Okay, notification. What if I want to, already I have addressed this. Those who have applied for modified pass certificate and want to write in personal examination, guys, there is no thing to worry. The modified pass certificate will be in addition to you, and you can write examination if you want. That will be normally. And if you write examination, your certificate will be counted to a domain star as well as FDP certificate also based on the applicable criteria for you. Okay, and those who of you are writing 2+ examination, like I am writing 4 examination, then what I have to do? One problem is there, you can see for all 4 courses it is showing July 19th. Okay, sorry, August 19th date it is showing for me. Okay, so in that case, what I have to do? So for that only it is updated. Okay, so let me show you. Let me save it. Otherwise, by mistake, I will uh, click on cancel. Then I may not be able to write exam. Okay, so that part is done. Okay, so what it is saying that due to our current courses allocation of 8, 8 and 19th, okay, August 8 and 19 exam date. If it happened that you are writing 2+ examination on same date, don't worry, you can write 2 examination on the exam date given. For the remaining courses, we will conduct remote protected examination online that you can take from your home on August 9 or 10 and August 20 or 21. We will announce further details about additional exam in coming days and reach out to you. So what it means that all my examination is going to be here according to the current schedule, that all my 4 examination on 19th. So what NPTEL is going to do? They are planning to conduct remote examination for like on 20 or 21. Like if your examination on 8 and if you have more than 2 examination on 8, so the NPTEL will ask you to write examination on like 9 or 10 remotely. So NPTEL will later on give update on that. So don't worry on that regard. Okay, guys. And like note, you can see if you don't fill the form before deadline, then by default it is taken that you will write exam request of cancellation of exam after that, after 19th. If you don't do anything and it is, if you are crossed 19th date 5 p.m., then your no request will be entertained. You will be considered as you are writing exam. And like if you don't request for city change, then by default whatever the city you have selected at time of registration will be considered of your city choice. So that's it for this update, and if you have any doubt regarding this and if you want any clarification, then please don't hesitate to ask your question in comment section. I will definitely revert back. And if you really like my content and if you want to support me, please share this video with other NPTEL learner, and please subscribe the channel if you really like my content, and also consider to put your valuable feedback in comment section. I again repeat, the current semester has been started. Please check it out our video. I am going to provide some 13 courses, solution, material and everything throughout the semester. So please check it out and enroll one of the best courses. Thanks a lot again for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with Deep Code Guru. Happy learning.